Hello everyone. In few of our previous video we have seen how PF, ESI and billing related things are simplified using vendor management system. In this video we will be covering how OT management is simplified with the vendor management system. So we will quickly go on to the login screen. We will add our email ID and password and click on login. So in order to see or generate OT report, we need to go to OT sections, and over here we can see all the eligible employees that are eligible for OT. So one thing to note here is we have there are certain salary type that has been selected. One is daily and the other one is fixed. So this is a dynamic formula that is configurable, that can be configured by any vendor as per the use case. For example, if I go to user section, uh, if I go to settings, here I can see that what is the definition of daily and fixed, each of the salary type that we were seeing there. For example, salary type daily signifies that there's some wages, days work, OT multiplier, OT work, etc. How this is helps us identify how this OT will be like generated for the respective employee. So going back to OT, so in this case for Ajay Sheth, the salary type is daily. The number of days, let's say he has worked for is 26. Let me select the October month. Yeah. So number of days he has worked is, let's say, 20, and OTR is 0. So net payable amount he is getting is 7570. If we want to understand the details of it, we can click on the detail button. Over here you can see that this is the formula that has been taken up, which was defined against daily, and these are the value that has been picked. For example, we are saying that he has worked 20 days and each day wage is 1000 rupees. And since he has 0 OT, we need not pay anything in OT. So entire value becomes 1000 into 20, which is 20,000, and minus 1,200 430, which is the amount that was paid during the master rule payment. So if we subtract these two, the final amount here is 7570. Similarly, there is another use case wherein the salary type is fixed. By fixed, we can say that okay, if this particular employee needs to be paid fixed amount as 25,000. If we click on details here, we can see here the formula used here is fixed monthly wage minus net amount paid. So 25,000 minus the master rule payment that has been done. So the remaining is 13,492. Similarly, this can be extended for other use cases as well. For example, just for another simple use case, we can add Amit Kurai has worked for 20 days, and for, let's say, OTR maybe 10 hours, and we click on save. So he is eligible for getting OT payment for 9894. If again we click on detail and get the understanding of how this amount has come up, so it is 1000, which is the per day wages, into 20 plus 2.0 into 10. 2.0 is the OT multiplier. As we can see here, this is the OT multiplier, and the number of hours he has worked is 10. So similarly, 10,126 has been paid as a master rule payment. So remaining is 9894. This is how you can simplify your entire OT calculation. It will also help you keep a track of your previous month record. For example, there are some cases wherein you might need to refer back the record of previous months. For example, let's say for the month of September, or maybe for the month of August, we can refer back to this data. Also, one more thing, once you click on download OT PDF, and the output that is generated can directly be used for the bill payment. For example, we are getting the name, payable amount, which is the OT payable amount, bank detail, branch, account number, IFSC code, etc. So this helps us reduce our monthly OT related task very significantly, and it also ensures that there is no miscalculation or manual error that can cause or lead to excess payment, etc. Thank you.